Stan Shelton, Sidnei Frigo, getting ready to come at you. Stan Shelton, interesting. The Culp lumber car comes in here out of North Carolina. When he showed up, that was the first car to come out here and kind of test the waters with a screw supercharger. He has since swapped back over to the Root style. And Sidnei Frigo, Art of Inco Performance, Fuel Tech, working down there with a guy by the name of Stevie Fast Jackson. If you are familiar with Pro Mod, I'm certain you know that name. And if you're wondering why Steve isn't driving, he had neck surgery during the offseason. And the doctor told him, here's the deal. You can take some time away and be good to go, or you can get back in the car tomorrow and you might be back in my office next week. Steve said, how much time would you like me to take off? Yeah, I'd be happy to do that. That's a good-looking side-by-side run. Check it out. 580 times 2. Sidnei Frigo goes 5,800, 246 miles an hour. Stan Shelton goes 5,805. 245 miles an hour. Jason Scruggs is number 1 at a 575. Mike Thielen, 2 at a 578. Then we've got twin 80s. Sidnei Frigo, 3rd. Stan Shelton, 4th. And we got twin 87s. Jericho, 5th. Billy Banica, 6th.